Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing my first order from Béis. So Béis is a brand by Shay Mitchell. They have really nice luggage and handbags and accessories and a lot of stuff for traveling. I am very excited for this order. So I ordered the work tote directly from the website. I am not affiliated with the brand. I just want to throw that out there. I've just heard so many great things about this brand and I really wanted to get this tote because I'm about to travel to go to my first week of residency, and I thought this would be the perfect bag to bring for school and then to use for work on the regular basis. So I initially was looking for a laptop case or a laptop bag, and like all the ones that I found were around $100. And then I remembered that I saw the work tote was back in stock this week from Béis. So I'm recording this on the 28th of May and this is going up on the 29th of May. And I saw that they were back in stock, and so I figured I would just get this tote because I've been wanting it, and then I can try it out when I travel this week. So I'm gonna do a full unboxing of the work tote, and then I also picked up the tote insert from Nordstrom. So let's start with the work tote. So it came in this huge box, and then here is the tote. So this is a huge bag, and I love my huge bags, and I've never had one this size. It is safe to say. I feel like this is bigger than the Louis Vuitton GM. I have the MM, so I'll show y'all a comparison in a moment, but this is a really huge bag. Okay, so here is the bag unwrapped, and this thing is huge. So this bag is 16.75 inches in width. It is 13.5 inches in height, and it is 7 inches in depth. So this is the black Croc. I felt like it was very professional, but it's also stylish. So that's like my go-to when it comes to purchases. So I only travel Southwest or JetBlue, primarily Southwest. For Southwest, your personal item that fits underneath the seat can be 18.5 by 8.5 by 13.5 inches, and this fits underneath the seat. So you can still bring, if you're like me, just a carry-on spinner roller and have this as well as your personal item. So it's the perfect travel bag. So for specs, on the exterior you have a zip pocket on one side and you have a slit pocket on the other, so you can put a beverage on that side. And then on the back you have a trolley pass that also can be a pocket when it's unzipped. So if you want to put this on your suitcase, you can slide it through. Or if you are using it just for like work or when you're not traveling, it doubles as a slit pocket. There is a zipper on the bottom, and then another zip pocket here to put additional items. So there's already a lot of storage on the exterior. And then here is the front again, and then you have a full zip option up top so nothing falls out while you are traveling or going in between locations. You also have matte black accessories as well, so it's an all black tote, which I actually really love. And then when you unzip it, you have all this space, but you also get a padded strap that has the Croc design to make it easier to carry. So if you are using this to carry around like your laptop and using it as a purse with a lot of different accessories, this will be nice and more supportive than using the straps like a regular purse. So you have that option, and again you have that matte black hardware, and then it just hooks on to the side of your purse, and then you can also unhook it if you don't want to use this feature, and then you can store it somewhere in the tote or in the trolley, wherever you choose. And then I'm gonna flip the camera around so we can take a look inside of this bag, and then I'll also show you the tote insert. Okay, and so I had to adjust the brightness so you can see inside of the bag since it is all black. So I apologize if it's a little too bright, but I just want y'all to see everything inside. So on one side you have a padded laptop storage compartment with, again, that Croc material. And so here is my 16-inch MacBook, and I'm going to put it in so y'all can see. use this as a reference. So it does fit the 16-inch MacBook. It is really hard to find something that holds this big old laptop, but this fits in perfectly, and then it's nice and secure inside. And then in here as well, you have 2 additional slip pockets and 2 pen holders. And then you have a key fob on the side. Again, you have that black hardware. And then you have a detachable clutch. So if you want to use it as a clutch, you can just use the sides and bring them in. Or if you just want it loose in your tote, you can do that as well. And then you have the logo at the bottom. So just to give y'all a reference, this is the Louis Vuitton GM Agenda. And so it fits easily in here, and it'll help protect my planner. This is probably what I'm going to use it for. And I'm going to keep it in the bag, but I can just strap it in to the bag, and then that is protected. And then you have a large zipper pocket on the side as well, and it's pretty deep. It goes to half of the bag. And then that is all the storage in here. I want to flip this around and show y'all that it also has legs at the bottom, so it's never really fully sitting on the floor, so it protects the bottom of your bag. So that's something that I really like about this tote as well. And then I also want to show y'all the tote insert. So this is the tote insert. It's also labeled as a diaper bag organizer on the Béis website. It is 14.25 inches in width, 9.25 inches in height, and then it does fit 15-inch laptops in here. So if you have like a 13-inch MacBook, or I think like a Dell, it'll fit in here, but 16-inch MacBooks won't fit in here. So on the front, you have one huge pocket, so you can put the laptop in here, and it is slightly padded. It's not as padded as the work tote. You can also fit your iPad in here, or just anything else that you want. And then inside of here, you have one big pocket here. You have another key fob, and then you have a full pocket here so that you can put your phone in here. You can put your work phone in here and store it in there. You also have a zipper option up top, and it goes about halfway, so you can fit some pretty larger items in here, maybe even pens. On the other side, you have a removable pouch, and so you can fit a lot of stuff in here. It's also insulated, and so if you want to store like a bottle or something in here, if you are a mom, you have that option. I'm not a mom, so I'm probably going to be using this as a pencil pouch since I can remove it. But then you also have 2 additional mesh pockets on this side. And then you have a slip pocket here, and then a mesh slip pocket on the other side. And then on the back, you have even more storage and organization. So half mesh pockets and then a full slip pocket. And there are just so many compartments in here that I was really excited to purchase this, especially since it's on sale right now, and add this to my tote because I love tote organizers. But yeah, that is the tote insert. Just to show y'all what it looks like. So here is the tote again. And you can easily take it in and out if you want to pack it outside of the purse with these handles, which is really nice. But just to show y'all that you can also use the compartments in here. So here is my laptop again. So it is in the laptop holder, and you still have full access to the tote organizer. Again, I apologize, it's all black, but I think y'all can see it pretty well. But yeah, that is the Béis work tote and the tote insert. I am obsessed with all of this. I cannot wait to use it. I will have a vlog soon where I put everything together for residency, for school, and for a trip, so that way y'all can also see it being used. But yeah, As for pricing, the work tote is $128 and then the insert is $58. However, if you're watching this the day that this video comes out, it is currently on sale at Nordstrom for 40% off, so it is now $34.80. I'm not sure if that is a clearance price or a temporary price for their half yearly sale, but it is $34.80 right now. But I'm going to leave my personal referral code down below so that you can get $15 off your first order, and then I get $15 in points for another order. So again, I'm not affiliated. That's just a personal referral program, and it's just my personal code, not an affiliate code. But yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I will be sharing how I use this tote. I will also do a what's in my bag at some point, so y'all can see how I use it for work. But other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.